ka jingbu jingkan mau jong gislam ai Nonghikai ban penlong ya ka Children's Day kalong ka badon kam ban kan mau hamman lag snem namar ka hikai bania burom mar kaliang ki Nonghikai ki burom ki khana school bat ki mi khpa badru ha ku jugo por ki khana school bat ki mi khpa kin burom kaliang ya ka jingai ti jong ki Nonghikai ban penyo ya ka start kanang ya ki khana school ha ka khat sautrik unai wing arajar arpsan ka Saint Michael High Secondary School umsning kala penlong ya ka sngi burom ki khana hakaban nalor gi khana school kin Nonghikai bat ki bor pnya school lawan ro ban sakhi de ki mi khpa jong gi khana school kumka jingai man sim shushu ye khana school bat ki samla pule jong school bakin nangla ban pule khambha shushu hagane ga sngi ki bor pnya school ki la pelong daga jingpan ku borom ye gi samla pule ki ba pass bha haga SSLC bat HSSLC examination arhajar arpsan laishim bantalang ru hagane ga sngi borom gi khana ha Saint Michael High Secondary School Dau Father Pius Shad, Brief Secretary ke School Managing Committee, ke Sister Adeline Soklan, kepada ke Principal Jong School, lembat kiwai-kiwai.
No dreams too small will reach them all across